Well guys, it's day 14 since the virus outbreak, and I've been drinking hand sanitizer, I've been sleeping in a large Ziploc bag, and it's been worth it because so far I have not gotten the virus. Well guys, COVID-19 is here. Amazon FBA just announced today that they will be halting shipments for the next at least 3 weeks, maybe longer. So just wanted to make a quick video explaining kind of what my game plan is and how I plan to approach this next few weeks to potentially maybe longer. So here is a whole bunch of inventory that I had planned on sending into FBA this week that now I won't be able to. Also got a good number of games over here, and also a nice little bag. By the way, this is just a dust mask. Those aren't actual flu masks. Nice little bag here of DS and stuff that has not been listed yet. Then I also have this bag of stuff here that, as you can see, has been listed. I was in the middle of creating a shipment last night when I got the notification this morning. So this stuff is kind of separate and we'll also have to wait for the next few weeks before it goes out. All right, so here is sort of my order of attack here. I've written it out like a good little schoolboy. First one is listing eBay. So I've made some lots here of stuff that I wouldn't normally have put on eBay, namely some handheld consoles along with some like junk games. And those are some things that I'm going to be throwing on there because right now electronics are selling really well on eBay. People are looking for, ways to entertain their kids and stuff. So I'm going to be making some of these lots. You can see I actually have a decent number of junk games here that I'm going to be bundling with some of these handheld consoles, even though normally the margins would be a little bit lower on eBay. I'm going to hope that, given the increased demand, they can be, not the worst at least. Hopefully fairly comparable. That's what I'm going to be doing first, along with, I've got some random kind of death pile stuff over here. Some random stuff I pulled out of my brother's room when I was back home. He doesn't know about that. Some shoes and, random stuff from who knows where that I'm going to be listing as well. This is a little deal of sealed DVDs that I picked up yesterday that I'm also going to be listing. So that's number one for me, is like basically tackle the death pile and find some creative ways to list stuff. Second one is clean and prep my FBA items. You can see a lot of these are like kind of dirty. They got stickers on them. And almost none of them have been tested except, well, all the handhelds have been tested. So I'm going to be testing, I'm going to be cleaning, I'm going to be scrubbing them up, and also packing them in boxes so that when the FBA restriction is lifted, I'm able to send them off as quickly as possible. Some of them, and this goes to my third one, if the restriction lasts for long enough, I may end up listing some of these consoles on eBay as well, even though I don't like selling them there as much because of how much it costs to ship them, and also you just normally get less. But if it lasts long enough, you have to do what you have to do. So that is my number 3. Number 4, which I really hope I don't have to do, is fulfill by merchant. I don't know. I just don't understand FBM all that well. So I'm hoping that it doesn't come to that point, but eventually I may just have to start doing that, especially as the supply of FBA items starts to dry up and prices start to go up a little bit. That may make the extra effort for fulfilling by merchant worth it. So I will look into that if the restriction lasts long enough. And the last one here is sourcing locally. This I mostly put because I anticipate it may very well be possible that there could be a government mandate that people basically stay home and all businesses except like grocery stores and essential stuff closes. So if that's the case, I'll be trying to find more and more deals on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Craigslist, hopefully from people who are maybe bored at home and cleaning stuff out, who knows. But if I can, I'd love to pick up a little bit more inventory that way, and that one-on-one healthy person to healthy person contact isn't as concerning for me. So yeah, we'll see how stuff goes. So that's pretty much as far as I've gotten in terms of strategizing so far for the next 3+ weeks. As you guys can tell, the announcement kind of threw me for a loop this morning, and I'm scrambling a little bit trying to figure out what I'm going to do. But I wanted to post this, let you guys kind of know where my head's at, and also start a discussion. I'd love to hear where you guys are at in terms of your FBA, your eBay, your sales in general. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me as far as how to proceed, because this is the first time I'm dealing with something like this. So anyways, thank you guys as always for watching. Stay safe, and I will catch you guys on the flip.